the Senate drug war probe. Senators weigh in on the outcome of the controversial hearing attended by former President Rodrigo Duterte. Senator Bato de la Rosa told the big story that he was pleased with what transpired. He said it was good that we finally heard the side of Duterte.
It went fine, no? At least nakapagsalita yung ating dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at nakuha natin ang side niya patungkol sa war on drugs.
Meanwhile, Senator Coco Pimentel, who led the hearing, refutes claims that Duterte dominated it. Pimentel told Storycon that one side was happy to have aired their side, while the other one believes they got some evidence.
Kung ganyan yung feedback natin, ibig sabihin nun, nagampanan natin yung papel natin na maging fair na chairman. Gitna lang tayo, gitna lang ako, wala akong agenda rito.
Well, he did dominate, okay? You may have been fair, sabi na tao, but there's no doubt PRRD was
dominated
he was in his element in that hearing.
Kasi dumating pa sa point na siya yung nagtatanong to si Senator Bato de la Rosa. No po, sir. No po, sir. Hindi po, sir. Mr. President, hindi po.
And one of the smartest was Senator Risa Hontiveros because alam mo naman you don't expect PRRD to give you damning testimony that will impinge him. But very smart kasi pinikon niya si PRRD. And we all know pag napikon si former President Duterte, to a point na umami na siya na may ano siya involvement sa
tagal na ako pumapatay, hindi pa ako kinakasuhan.
Tapos yung sinabi niya, ayan, yan si Bato, yan, yung mga yan, kinakabahan yan, nagdadasal na yan kasi kasama sa Davao Death Squad yan. So things like that.
Nakatawa nga ako yung kay Senator Risa Hontiveros, di ba sinabi ni yun sa impyerno, yung mga yan, naku, wala naman pong jurisdiction yung batas natin sa impyerno. Sabi niya, ano yung sabi ni PRRD?
Hilain daw kita pababa.
Sabi niya wala po akong plano na pumunta.
Tapos hilain kita. Hindi, pero I believe naman the former President Duterte when he said na, pasensya na, but that's really my character. Because that's really his character. But who best said it among all of them, and afterwards, it was si SP Cheese Escudero, and he said, kahit sabihin mong joke pa yan, at sinabi mo, any testimony entered into the hearing is under oath. And can be used. It's a matter of public record.
Yes.
And it can be used against him. Even if he said it was a joke, the general theme is may namatay dahil sa akin. So at the very least, meron siyang command responsibility because of the death.
So anyway, kung kukunin daw yung mga ito, yung gagawing documents para sa evidence sa mga kaso, may it be local or international, Senate has to certify it.
Yeah.